So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to paint the green. You're not allowed to use the green paint, so you have to mix it with blue and yellow. So I'm going to take, first of all, just to clean things up, this is how we clean our paints. Take our damp brush, clean brush, and we try to wash the surface of the colour. Once you take most of it off with the brush, let's do it twice. Once you take most of it off with the brush, it's quite difficult to get the paints from the side. Then you're going to take your bit of tissue paper and you're going to try to wipe it pretty clean. If you still get a bit of paint down the side, again, trying to clean off some of the paints down the side. Quite hard to get it all off. And again, trying to take the excess paint off. Okay, but this one's still staying quite clean. So let's make the green. So the green, blue and yellow. Most people, when they mix in a colour, which is made from two colours, will mix the darker colour on top of the lighter colour. The important thing is when you mix your green and you're testing your colours, it's easy to go too watery. So you need to go round and round till you know it's a nice thick colour. That to me still is a bit more too watery. So although I'm adding water to it, I'm only doing that so I can get more paint off these two blocks. So I'm quite happy with that. So now I'm going to paint my outside green. Carefully get into the corner, painting up to the line. Bit more water. Now that green could end up being a different colour, but if it's a different colour and you already are going to blend into the colour you've already made, it's going to make it look more consistent. So a bit more of that blue, a bit more of that yellow. So by painting the colours over the colours I've already painted, it's helping it look flatter and neater. So that's my outside green. Now my inside green is going to be the same green, but I'm going to have to mix it with some white. Now I could lighten it with water, I could lighten it with yellow. On this occasion we're going to mix it more with white. So I think I'm going to mix it a bit lighter than that. So I'm going to go round and round with more of the white, which is going to lift it. Test my color. That looks a reasonable amount lighter. So very fine tip of the brush to get in the corner. Bit more of this color, twisting my brush into a point. Very fine tip to get into that corner. Blending into the color I've already painted. Then lastly, this outside line. Getting into this last fine corner section. Again, blending it into the color. So we've got a little mistake, just neaten this up. So that's my outside section. I'm reasonably happy with that. Hopefully it'll dry a bit flatter when the colors, because the colors which are wet look a bit darker than the colors which are dry. Watercolor always dries a bit lighter. So that's the first painting exercise.